What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So this is going to be a dart plane, so it flies really far and stuff. So you're first just going to need a piece of paper. You can do colored or just like white paper, it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to make it so it looks like this way. And then you're going to fold it over like this, kind of like a book. And then put a crease here. And you're going to open that up. And then you're going to make this little like paper airplane shape thing at the top like this. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side like this. And you can pause this video at any time if I'm going too fast for you. So next you're going to fold over again right here at the end like this, and then fold it like this, and then put a crease down like this, and then do the same thing on this side. Make sure it goes right there, right next to the other one, like this. And it should look like this. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it in half like this, and then put a crease. And then you're gonna grab this. You're gonna do another fold, and make it so the top piece lines up with the bottom, like this. And then you're gonna do the same thing for this side, like this. And then you're done. And then you flip it over, and then you hold it down like this. And then that's how you make a dart paper airplane. And it flies really far too. So that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.